Hello little ones, today we're going to draw a candle and a ribbon. We're going to start by going up from the middle. We're going to do an oval shape and we will not connect it on the top. We're going to go back to the middle. Now we're going to draw the wick and the flame around it. Now we're going to start drawing the ribbon. We're going to do this small apple shape. For this ribbon, we will draw 4 bunny ears, so we will start with the upper ones. We're going to do the same thing on the left. Now for the bottom bunny ears. We're gonna make the bottom ones a little bit bigger. Repeat the same on the other side. Now we're gonna go down with the V shape for the material strips. We're gonna make one a little bit longer than the other. It looks better. Good job! Now we're gonna finish our candle because the ribbon was in front, so we're gonna continue from the bottom, do a curve, and then a straight line that connects to the ribbon. Since candles usually have this white color, but it's not all white, usually it's wax, so wax tends to be a little bit darker, we are going to try to use a gray color for our candle, and then we're going to build it from the bottom and going all the way up. As usual, we're going to start by drawing in the edges and then filling in the color nice and easy. Do the same thing on the top. The circle, we're gonna leave it empty for now because we are going to draw there the melted wax. When wax melts, it tends to change color and it gets this honey color. So after we finish the candle, we're going to use a honey color to fill in the oval shape that's on the top, exactly under the flame. The wick, we're going to use a brown color. The inner part of our flame is going to be yellow, and the outer part, it's going to be orange. The inner part of our bunny ears, since light does not go in, it's going to be a darker red. So we're going to do the same for all of them. And the outer part of our ribbon, we're going to use a brighter red because light shines off it. Pay attention not to go over the lines that we drawn over previously. Don't worry if your ribbon does not look or the same as ours, or if you didn't do the curves exactly like ours, or if you don't have the exact colors. This is meant to be something that you enjoy. It's not about having a perfect copy. It's about having fun drawing it. Very good. Our candle is almost done. Good job, little ones. See you in the next one. Bye bye.